Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about something called Web 2.0 tools. So let's go back to TPAC for a second because everything that we do in this class and with your teaching as well, it should revolve around this idea of TPAC, technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge. So for this video, we're going to focus on the T and the K, technological knowledge. Developing technological knowledge is very important for us as teachers for two important reasons. Number one, it helps us teach more efficiently and effectively, okay? And it also helps our students learn content more efficiently and effectively. So it might cut down on time, that would be efficient, but even more important than that, it helps us reach students in different and diverse ways. It helps us differentiate instruction and it helps us teach to different learning styles such as the visual, auditory, kinesthetic learner. There are different types of technological knowledge. There is knowledge about devices. Devices are anything that is what we call hardware. An example would be a laptop, a desktop, or the iPads that you were just given last week. So we've started learning a little bit about that with your exploration of your iPads. Then you have something called software, and that's something that can be downloaded to your device. An example of software would be a program such as GarageBand or the program that I'm using right now, Screencast-O-Matic. And the third category is what we're focusing on today, called Web 2.0 tools. You have many Web 2.0 tools on your iPad pre-installed to your music education learning environment Melody device. So what are Web 2.0 tools? Well, the official definition is a second generation in the development of the World Wide Web. That's what we called the internet back in the dinosaur age, focusing on user collaboration, sharing of user-generated content, and social networking. So Web 2.0 or 1.0 essentially was just the internet with not a lot of collaboration going on or interaction. So the idea of social media when you have this interaction happening between devices, between people. It wasn't always like that with the internet. So we take Web 2.0 tools for granted now, and you might, because it's really a product of your generation, it's what many of you have grown up with. But Web 2.0 tools are very, very important. But what we want to focus on is this idea of collaboration, sharing content through online resources, and social networking. So pause this video for a second and write down a couple of Web 2.0 tools that would fall under this definition. What did you come up with? Well, one example would be the idea of Google Apps. And Google Apps is something that we've already explored a little bit in class. We've explored Google Drive through using Google Docs. You all typed on the same Google Doc the other day, which was an interesting experience, and you could see each other's work. And something called Google Hangout, which is something like FaceTime or Skype, where you can interact with each other. And Google Forms as well, that you can fill out something, generate a form, and then have others fill it out. So those are examples of Web 2.0 tools. See if you can come up with some additional examples for class.